What's going on, everyone? If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Brent and this is Turbocharged Hobbies, and today we're going to do a quick video going over replacing the warning labels on my 2007 Honda 400EX. So the previous owner had actually removed all of the warning labels from the plastic, and honestly I'm just not a big fan of just a blank square here. So I'd actually been looking for these labels for a while. They're actually metal and CNC cut, and you can find these pretty easily for like a 450R, but finding it for a 400EX is quite a bit difficult. I actually found one seller that had some, but he only had one left for the longest time, so the price was jacked way up while he was waiting, I guess, to restock. But in the notes it does mention that these are limited quantity and they're possibly not going to be restocked. So if you're wanting to possibly do this as well, you may want to go on and jump on eBay, and the seller is DB Cycle Parts. And last time I checked, I think there was about 50 still available. I do believe they're just under 50 bucks, and they actually do come with the pop rivets. So that's nice, because I have never actually messed with a pop rivets or pop rivet gun. So I actually ordered just a cheap one off Amazon. It's about 25 bucks. And we're both going to learn this together today. So hopefully this goes pretty easily. I'm just going to do this one as the back plastic. I'm going to be ordering new plastics as this one is cracked and it's in very rough condition. But we're going to install this one, and a little extra thing that I've done here is I had some extra vinyl, and I was able to take some of the scrap vinyl and cut it out. I'm going to end up putting the vinyl behind each of these. I think the black behind there will look quite a bit better than just the red. And also, one thing to note is that these have a protective film over them still, so that's not what it actually looks like. But I don't want to remove that until we get them installed. So let's give this a shot and see how it goes. We'll start by installing this. I've marked where the holes are. Hopefully I can get this pretty much centered. I get the backing off. Oh, there we go. That don't look too bad. Looks like it may end up being slightly crooked. Really should have took a razor blade and tried to trim that down. Oh. Hopefully once I put this plate, rivet that in, keep it in there. It came with these washers, and I'm guessing these washers go on the inside here. It's nothing. Well, this thing's been kind of a pain in the butt. First one took fine. This second one looks like it's not going to go through. It's not pulling it all the way in. I must have messed it up. Like I said, this is my first time ever really messing with pop rivets, so you have to forgive me. I'm gonna try to cut this one off and start again. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright. Now let's pull this off. Probably should have took it off before, but really didn't want to take any chances on scratching it. It'd be a lot easier if it wasn't so chilly in here. It's not super cold, but it's definitely close to freezing right now. I like it. I think it looks a lot better than before. And don't worry about that, as I just keep forgetting to bring that with me. I do actually have that at my place whenever I polish these fenders. I just forgot to put it back on. Well, that wasn't too bad to install. Hope you liked the video. And if you want, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Just look for Turbocharged Hobbies. I'm going to be trying to post a lot more this year to YouTube. That's my main goal for this year. Is I want to start getting out and getting more content and getting in front of the camera and trying to let people get to know me personally, because at the end of the day, there's people that's got cooler stuff to show off than me. At the end of the day, I think the biggest thing that, helps YouTube channels grow is just letting your audience get to know you and meet your personality and stuff. So I want to spend more time actually trying to get in front of the camera and do some talking. So I'm still trying to get comfortable with it, but it's something that just takes time. Practice makes perfect, I guess. But I appreciate you watching this. If this helped you, just smash that like button. If you won't, give me a follow. That's all up to you. And hope everyone's having a happy new year.